Let's change these glasses to that in Photoshop. Let's begin. So first things first, we can zoom in. So just hold Ctrl, then plus to zoom in. Then to zoom out, just hold Ctrl, then minus to zoom out. So I'll go on and grab my pen tool. So I'm going to draw a shape like on the glasses where I'm going to fill the color. So simply I'll just use my pen tool and draw the work path. So for you to move the artboard or maybe the canvas around, you just hold the space button, the space bar button on your keyboard. Then you just use your left click to pan around. So I'll go on and fill a color. So I'm going to fill that color from the eye. So I'll pick like it's some kind of purple. So I'll pick that reflection from the eye, and that's what I'm going to use. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy that to and place it to another plate. So remember there are two plates. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag that and drop on the plus icon to create a duplicate. Now just hold and move it on another plate. So I'll just go to edit and choose free transform. So this here, I'm going to hold my control and I'll just change the perspective of the glasses so as it fits into that plate. So remember, just hold the control, then you just click and hold on those anchors to adjust. So I'm going to repeat the same procedure on the first one. So I'll go on, just hold the control. You keep holding control and then adjust using your left mouse button those anchors to make it realistic or into the perspective. So when I'm done, I'm going to convert that all those two layers to smart objects. So I'll rename them like G1 and G2. And the next step, I'll go to blending modes and I'm going to choose overlay. Then I'll repeat the same procedure on another plus and still overlay. So I'll proceed to go and FX, then I'll choose blending options. Then on the blending options, I'll go straight to where blend if is, and there I'm going to hold alternate and then drag that anchor point around 170 to create that glass effect realistic. So when I'm done, I'll just go on and click OK. So I'm going to repeat the same procedure on the next glass. So you go to FX, then choose blending options, and after that you just go to blending if, you hold it alt, then you just click and drag those you extend the sliders to create something like realistic. So when I'm done, I'll just hold, I'm going to combine them into a group. So I'll select them, click once and select all of them. Now click on the group icon. So I'll name them like glasses. And that's all, guys. It is simple as that. So that is before and that is after. Thanks for watching. Peace.